something on these that is missing that I think should be there, especially for the price that I paid. So welcome to video 4 of the packing cube series, where I'm going through all of the packing cubes that I own, and I do own a lot, and share with you my thoughts, my opinions on what they have available, how they hold up against my traveling style. If you have seen my away travel suitcase where I have these super cute blush pink suitcases, then you know I like things that match, so why not get the packing cubes to match that set? There are many more sizes that come in this set. I do have beautiful clips to show you of the different sizes available. I will use these two as an example and tell you my thoughts based on the durability, the variation, and the appearance of the cubes. So when it comes to durability, I am an overpacker, so I need a packing cube that when I stuff it and I zip it, it's not gonna rip the mesh on the packing cube. These packing cubes are very similar to the eBag Lite one that I reviewed earlier, where the mesh along the edge isn't holding up the way that I would like it to because it's starting to kind of pull apart, which is why I've actually kind of held back from using these when I'm packing in my pink suitcases because they're not as durable. So for that, I'm going to give these 3 out of 5 ladybugs for durability. If you're someone who doesn't pack a lot or doesn't like to get the most out of the space, then you're going to be absolutely fine, which is great. But because I am someone who likes to make use of all the space in my packing cubes, I need to know that the mesh can hold up. So 3 out of 5 ladybugs for durability. When it comes to appearance, something that they do that is just so beautiful is that the mesh on top matches the color of the cubes so that when you pack everything, it looks cute in pink. Granted, they don't just have pink, they have many other colors, but let me give you a side-by-side comparison of what I'm talking about. So here's a couple of examples. You see how this has this beautiful color here? You can see it's the black mesh, so it doesn't look like it's all the same color. Same thing here. It has this pretty blue on the back, but it has a white mesh. I still like the way these two look, but appearance-wise, having the color match the mesh, that's beautiful for me. So 5 out of 5 when it comes to appearance, mostly because that mesh piece. But when it comes to variation, I do believe they only have 6 sizes, and with some of the other sets, I'm able to get, like 3 slims in a set, 3 smalls in a set, and get multiple sizes, multiple of each size in a set, and that doesn't really happen with these, so I'm going to give them a 3 out of 5 for variation. Although they do have a wide variety of sizes, they don't give you the option to bundle them or get, like if I like this size, there isn't a way to just get this one cube in like a bundle. So that would be the only thing. And the one thing that I'm a little bit upset that they do not have, which I love on a packing cube, is a handle. When my packing cube is full, like I said, I'm an overpacker, I know, but when my packing cube is full, I have to grab it like this. So when I'm grabbing the packing cube like this, I can only grab 2 at a time because my hands are only so big. And with the other cubes, I can loop my hand through the handles, grab just about all of my packing cubes at once, and move them from place to place. But with this set, I cannot do that, and it's actually pretty annoying. I've gone through my cube and, tried to pick it up out of somewhere, and it's just like, ugh, and it just slips out of my hand. So I think that's the one thing that they're missing with these packing cubes. Otherwise, they're decent. But I did put them to the test up against other packing cubes in what I'm calling the ultimate packing cube showdown, where I put all of my packing cubes together and compare them. So if you want to watch that video, make sure to click the link you see on your screen right now, because I think it's just awesome. I mean, I'm a little bit of a packing cube hoarder, but that's to your benefit because now you get to see which ones stand up to the test.